Welcome back, traders, to the Jomo Crypto Trading channel, where we talk all things crypto trading. And today we're talking about KAS. It's an update. Last time we talked about KAS. KAS was starting to rip over here. We thought this might be a good entry to start our position. And yes, it was. Although we had a shakeout, this was a clear shakeout over here. Tennis ball action, as I updated in the last video. And now we're moving up to the right direction. The path to this resistance seems up. Let's do a bit of update on KAS. As we can see over here, this was the last all-time high on KAS, 0.043, and we retested that today. Beautiful retest, very small on the daily. On the 4-hourly, we even retested it twice or 3 times. We will see in a second. This is beautiful. Now, of course, there's always a chance of this being a double top, and then we're going to see something like this. However, this I think has a low probability of occurring. Why do I think so? Because I think that KAS is still in the discovery mode. All right, I think KAS has a long way to go. We're only trading on small exchanges, kind of small exchanges, not the big dogs. It's on Mexi, which is a lovely exchange. It's on KuCoin, which is another lovely exchange. I think on BitCat as well, but you don't have it on Binance, Kraken. You don't have it on Coinbase or any other big exchange. So we have a lot of upside. So I think this scenario might be out of the question for now. However, it's still a possibility that has probability. What I think might happen is that we either take 1-2 more days and break out, all right, or maybe take a week and then break out. I think these two have the highest probability of working. Of course, if this breaks out above the last all-time high, above 0.043, right, this would be a trade initiation, right, or an add-on initiation if you already have a position from here or a position from here, right? So you can add on over here and have a fantastic continuation trade, all right? Probably KAS will reach 20 cents in the next couple of months. Yes, you heard it. That's correct. And I think that in the next cycle, it might reach even $1. However, we don't know what would happen until then. So we always do what we do, and that is trade the setups. And right now we have a beautiful setup on KAS. Look at this. It just, it had a big correction over here. Then it built a base. You had a beautiful cap with handle over here, small cap with handle, breakout. That's where first entry. You moved up in earnest above the ADMA. This is just beautiful action. You have a few days pausing over here, inside days, and now you're having like a small VCP type, continuation. You could have added at above the 41 cents. It's a lot of mumbo jumbo over here. Let me just, remove all this. But what I'm trying to say is that we are at a pivotal time for KAS, right? Now, the longer we just build over here, right, the better. It's like a big pressure. You're just pressuring, pressure, and all of a sudden when it will break out huge, moving 20-30% very fast and continuing from there, right? That's what I would love to see KAS doing. All right, if you're a KAS lover and you love what I'm doing over here, please give me a like and subscribe. This will also give me a dopamine rush, which I really like. I like that dopamine rush. And if you hate what I'm doing as well, just leave a comment in the section below. Tell me why you hate these videos, all right? Now, if you really love what I do and you want to make money and big gains, you should, all right, join our community. Our community is a beautiful community. And if you want to be trading the same way we do, you should definitely click on the link below and join one of the tiers, all right? The most thought up tier that everybody wants to is the alpha trader. We have only 13 spots remaining, all right? We have only 4 limited, all right, on the super trader, but just jump in. I promise you, you will be happy. Why? Because we make money consistently each month, right? Each month we make money, even if it's only, 10% or 5% of your account in 1 month. That's beautiful, because you know how much 5% each month? It's around 70-80% a year if you do it each month consistently. I know it sounds in the beginning like, oh, only 5% a month, but if you add that up without even accumulating, accumulating the gains, that's a 70-80%. If you accumulate the gains, that is even more if you compound. So if you compound those gains, so don't be shy. sign up to our community, see the way we trade, how we think like traders, and how we execute the trades. I do the heavy lifting for you. Maybe you have a job, maybe you have a wife, children, you don't have time to look at the market. I have the time for, right? So join the community and you will see these trades like KAS that we take, all right, each and every day. All right, everybody, hope you have a fantastic continuation of the week. And remember, no edge, no trade.